In this video, we are going to learn about the introduction to PDO, PHP data objects. Okay, so let's learn what PDO is all about. So the very first question that arises is, should I use MySQLi or PDO? Okay, now PDO is also used for connecting PHP to the database. Okay, whenever I want to connect my PHP program with any database, I can make use of PDO. I know up till now we have been using MySQLi, but just for now, just understand even we can use PDO. So the first question is, if I have MySQLi, then why should I use PDO, right? If you need a short answer, it would be whatever you like. Both MySQLi and PDO have their advantages. PDO will work on 12 different database systems, whereas MySQLi will work only with MySQL databases. So this is very important. See, PDO works with 12 different databases. That means if you want to connect your PHP with any database, let's say Oracle or any other database, you can go for PDO. Okay, but MySQLi will only work with MySQL databases. That is one limitation of MySQLi. So if you have to switch your project to use another database, PDO makes the process easy. You only have to change the connection string and a few queries. With MySQLi, you will need to rewrite the entire code, including queries. So let's say today I'm making a project, a website, and it has a database called MySQL. And let's say if tomorrow I need to change my database from MySQL to Oracle. So in that case, if I used MySQLi, it would be much difficult for me because I will have to rewrite entire code. But if I use PDO, I will just have to make minor changes and that's it. Because PDO works with 12 different database systems while MySQLi works only with MySQL database. Both are object oriented. Okay, both can be written in object oriented manner, but MySQLi also offers a procedural API. So we know that because we have been using the procedural API, and in the last video we just saw the object oriented approach of MySQLi, but PDO will only support object oriented approach. Okay, both support prepared statement. Prepared statements protect from SQL injection and are very important for web application security. So we know this because we have covered all these things inside the video prepared statement. Okay. So here is an example. See, this is the procedural approach. Okay, MySQLi procedural approach. We make use of these inbuilt functions MySQLi underscore connect and all. Okay. This is the second example, MySQLi object-oriented approach. So in object-oriented approach, first we create an object of the class MySQLi. Then we just access some variables and some methods. Okay, so this is the object-oriented approach. And now we even have PDO. So there are three techniques to connect your PHP program to MySQL database. First is MySQLi procedure, then MySQLi object oriented, and then PDO. But PDO will help you in connecting your PHP program with any database. But MySQLi only works with MySQL database. So this is the code. Okay, this is the PDO. First, I have declared some variables, server name, then username and password. Now I have just written the entire code inside the try block. So first I'm creating an object of the class PDO. Okay, and this is how the syntax is. Means basically I'm just going through the code. I know we haven't covered PDO in any previous video, so we will be learning about PDO in the next videos. We will learn what is this set attribute and all the concepts that you need to know about PDO. Okay, but this is how the PDO code looks like. Okay. So basically my conclusion of making this video was to just explain you that there are three ways in which you can connect your PHP to MySQL. And if you want to connect your PHP to any other database other than MySQL, then you can go for PDO. Okay, so PDO is much advanced than MySQLi because it works with 12 different database systems, whereas MySQLi works only with MySQL. But they have some similarities as well, means both are object oriented and both support prepared statements, and prepared statements protect us from SQL injection and are very important for web application security. Okay, so it completely depends on you what you should use. Okay, if you have a practice of PDO, that would be better for you in future as well because it works with 12 different database systems. So this is all about introduction to PDO, and in the next videos we will be covering all the concepts related to PDO. Thank you.